Sunday, day 2, O War Cay, Bahamas. Doing a little project. Basically came in yesterday, finished decking this out. An area for Fix-It Mike. Does all the islands, minor repairs, small engines, things like that, to keep things running around here. Somebody else came in, did the framework on the bottom. We decked it, finished decking it, and now we're going to frame it out. Basically just a temporary shelter for him to get his work done. Notice the tree right in the middle. Want to save all the vegetation they can, and I guess that'll give him some shade inside. So again, Anchor Church of God, O War Cay, here in the Bahamas. Hurricane Dorian missions relief. Day 2, Fix-It Mike's workshop. Coming along, coming along. Yeah, look at them guys hammering away. Day 3, O War Cay, our little project here that we were tasked with, the team before, with the Anchor Church at O War Cay doing Hurricane Dorian relief. This is Fix-It Mike's workshop. This is about as completed as we're going to get it. We're going to come back and put a roof on it. This will give Mike a place to do his repairs and his work. Fixed with his tree house growing through the middle. Fix-It Mike was actually stranded here at O War Cay after the hurricane when his and his wife's boat was destroyed. And so he is a fixer of all things. So he's actually going to be a true shade tree mechanic right here with the tree growing through the middle of it. But this was our first task, and it is complete in day 3.